Do any of you get tired of misplacing your keys? I know that I do, but I believe that I found the solution to that. I have here the Smarttrack link from Eufy Security, and it does say here that it works with Apple Find My. It was really budget friendly, so we're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and setup, and we're going to go ahead and see if it works. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. And let's see what's in the box. It's a little hard to get out. Okay, so as soon as you open this up, there's nothing in there. So you get a guide in a couple of languages, and you have a quick start guide as well. And this right here is the Smarttrack link. It's so tiny. So I do see here that it has a QR code. And as I can see here in the back of the package, well, the back of the box that it came in, it does say that the QR code connects the finder. So I believe, let's see if, oh, well, it does say scan me if found. So I believe that when, or if you do lose or misplace something like your keys, someone could actually go ahead and scan that QR code, and then they'll be able to go ahead and let you know where your item is. So I'm going to go ahead and take this little tag out because it does have a battery, and it does actually have an alert or alarm in it too. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. It's out. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at this quick start guide. It does also come in a couple of languages. It just lets you know where the button is, battery cover, buzzer. Very simple. And it does actually let you know how to connect your Smarttrack link as well. So we're going to go ahead and connect it. So on to connect this little adorable, it's so tiny, I can't get over it, but on to connect this little adorable Smarttrack link. So I did glance over this quick start guide, and it does say that you could use it either with the Eufy Security app, or you could use it with Apple's Find My. So that's really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and use it with Apple's Find My. I'm just going to go ahead and grab my phone, and I'm going to go ahead and unlock it and go to Find My. And it says here to open the app and then tap Add Other. So we're going to go ahead and Devices. Okay, so tap plus and add other. So I'm back. I was having some difficulties connecting the Smarttrack link to my phone. It could be because I'm not using my main phone. I'm using my second phone to connect it to. But we're going to go ahead and try one more time. You're supposed to go on the plus sign and then add other item. We're going to go ahead and press the button on the Eufy Smart link. It made noise. Searching for items. It found it. It says Eufy Security Smart Finder. We're going to go ahead and connect. Enter name. I'll just go ahead and add Jay's Finder. Continue. So you could go ahead and choose an emoji. I chose this emoji. But yes, we're going to go ahead and continue. And it's going to be linked to, of course, my information. Agree. It's just letting me know that it could play sound when, you are looking for your device. It does show on the map, and it does have lost mode as well. So we're going to go ahead and finish setting that up. And it is on. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and connect this. Well, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my car keys, and we're going to go ahead and test it out. Okay, so I've added the Smarttrack link to my car keys, and I'm going to go ahead and see if it is findable on the map on my phone. It is. It definitely is with the emoji and everything. And we're going to go ahead and play a sound and see if it could go ahead and locate my key, even though I know where it is. So let's see. It found my key. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and act like it was lost and, I found it, whatever. Stop sound. This is perfect. Okay, this is good. This is working. I wonder how long the range is though. But this is actually pretty good. Like, I like the fact that, like, it sounds, so yeah, sound wise it's pretty loud, and I am really impressed with the fact that it does say that it does notify you when, let's say, your keys are left behind. It definitely does notify you, which I'm really impressed by as well. And I will go ahead and keep this on my keys, and hopefully I will not misplace them anymore.